You asked, so let's do it. Let's build a dog gate. Two things to remember when building a gate. One, your gate should be 2 to 3 inches larger than your opening. Two, make sure you have that same amount of space for the gate to slide over or swing to open. This is a drawing of the gate that we're going to make today. The length of our gate is 35 inches. That's 2 to 3 inches wider than our opening. Our vertical pieces, or stiles, is the total height of our gate minus the total combined width of our rails. So as you can see over here, our rails are 4.5 inches each, and our stile is therefore 19 inches to give us our desired height of 28 inches. Now that we know our measurements for our rails and stiles, let's go cut them. We've now made the frame of the gate. Now we need to measure for that center panel. Don't think that the measurements is just this measurement though, because don't forget that panel is going to be inset in dados running along the rails and stiles. So you have to take this measurement right here and then add the depth of each dado on either side. There are multiple ways to make dados. I'm going to use a palm router, but you can also use a dado stack on a table saw. Our panel is going to be 20 inches by 25 and 13/16. Before we glue this up, you always should dry fit it. Make sure all your cuts are right and make sure it fits together. Part of dry fitting is putting the clamps on, because once you put pressure on wood, things can change and move around. You want to make sure everything lines up and is good and square. Now that we dry fit and everything was good, it's time to glue it up. Glue, clamps, you're ready to do it. All right, so after a couple hours or overnight, whatever you decide to do, we'll come back, take it out of clamps, and get started on the next part. The glue is set and our form of our gate is all put together. All that's left now is we got to put those slats in the middle, sand it, route it, and finish. This is a sharp edge. Let's round it over. Now let's add the wheels. And that's it. The gate is ready for finish. Whether that's stain or paint, you've built your dog gate.